Hello and welcome back. So we have completed almost all the commands in a sketch. So today in this video I am going to show you complete sketch, simple complete sketch, so that you will gain a command over it. So now I am going to the file section and opening a new canvas, select part and click on OK. Now this is the new canvas open and this is the sketch that I am going to create over here. So click on sketch and select the plane. I'm selecting the top line over here. Okay. Now we will make a dimension line, construction line here. Like this one is the construction line. So I am creating this over here. Now this is the midpoint of this line. So I am selecting on this midpoint and selecting here by clicking on the control button and click on coincident. So these two points are connected with the 0 0 coordinate, and we have the midpoint on the 0 0 coordinate of the canvas. So now I am creating this rectangle. Now we will provide the dimension, like this is half of the rectangle is 3.5 and this side is 3 mm. So click on a smart dimension and take it 7 mm. Now click over here and take it 3 mm. Now we can see that the rectangle is fully defined. Now we will take this line hover the cursor over here on the line and you will find the midpoint. So this is the midpoint, click on it and then hold the control button and click on the midpoint of the sketch and then click on vertical relation. Now you can see that these 2 points are vertically aligned. Now we will give it a dimension of 3.5, like smart dimension 3.5 into 2, so it will also be 7. Now the distance between this point and this point is 3.5 plus 2, that is 5.5. So we will again give it a distance of 5.5 like this. So till now it is completely defined. Now now we will find the coordinate of these circles, these two circles. So we will create the circles over here. I am creating the circle here. The circle dia is 2.8 and 5.6 mm. So I am creating the two circles first. Now click on a smart dimension and take the dia as 5.6 and the internal circle dia as 2.8. Now these two circles are concentric. If not, we will have to give it a relation. So these two circles are concentric because I have already drawn it from the center point. Now from this line, the distance of this circle is or from the center, the distance of this circle is 8 minus 3.5 minus 2. So click on a smart dimension, click on the center of the sketch, click over here again. Now 8 minus 3.5 minus 2. Okay, now we have the vertical dimension. Now we need to give it the horizontal direction. So the horizontal direction is 6 from the center point. So we will click over here, take a smart dimension, click over here, click here, and then 6. Okay, so these two circles are again uh, fully defined. Now we need to make this one the bigger circle, so we can make a mirror copy of this circle over this side. Okay, so I'll do that right now. Mirror entities over here, so click on mirror entities to mirror these two circles. So click on the two circles by clicking on the control button, and then the copy should be taken over here and then mirror about. So click on this box and take the center line. So we can see that the mirror is done. Click on OK, and we have the circle on the other side as well. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to make this line. So we have a circle over here, 3.5. This is 3.5. So from this point we will take a line of 5.5 in the vertical direction. So we are taking a line over here, smart dimension 5.5. Okay, now I will take a circle and this radius is 2. So I will take a circle and make a circle over here of radius 2 or dia 4. Dia 4, and we will give it a tangent relation. Like click here and hold the control button and click here, and then give it a tangent relation with this circle, and then click here, hold the control button, click on the circle and give it a tangent relation again. Okay, so now we have this circle again, so we can now trim it. Click on power trim and then move your cursor like this, and then we can go to the fillet command and make a fillet of radius 1 over here. So like this. So we need to change the dimension so that it will take it. Yes, so now you can see 1 mm fillet is given. Okay, again we need to trim this part of the circle. Okay, so now you can see that this side it is completed, and we need to mirror this part on the other side. So click here and click here and click here, mirror about, center line, and then we can see this is created. So till now our diagram is fully defined, and now we need to make this bigger circle. So here we will make this circle like this. We can make it from this point. Okay, now give it a dimension of radius 12 or dia 24. Okay, now this circle is not fully defined so far. So now we will provide it a tangent relation with these circles. So click on this circle, select this one again and click on the tangent relation, click on this one and this again and click on the tangent relation, and now you can see that the diagram is fully defined. So now I am taking the SolidWorks file on the complete display. And now I will select the trim command, trim it like this. Okay, now you can see that we need to give these fillets only, and here I am selecting the fillet command, and the fillet given is of radius 2. Radius 2, no, it is for radius 1 over here, it is given over here, radius 1. So click on fillet command, and it is to fillet. Okay, 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 and radius 1. Okay, now you can see that the same sketch is created that we have in the diagram. And while creating the sketch, we need to make sure that we are using as much as less the center lines as possible, because we need to take the less center points, and we need to make the sketch with the constant relation, and we need to give it as less dimensions as possible. You can see that I have used the mirror command on the other side, so that we can avoid giving dimensions or relations for the other side of the circles. So I think you like my video, and please practice this sketch, and you can find more sketches on Google as well, so practice that from there as well, and then uh, you will get a good command on the sketch part of the SolidWorks. Now we will continue towards the 3D model part of the SolidWorks. Like, I'm going to give a new play. I'm going to start a new playlist of all the features commands, all the commands under the feature section of the SolidWorks. So stay connected with me, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Have a nice time. Take care. Bye. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care.